Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Editing Graphics YouTube channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to change the color of your hair in pictures in just 2 minutes using free open source image editing software Gimp. Before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon for daily notifications. The picture we are using today is a free image from Pixabay. Its link is available in the description of the video. So let's begin. First of all, we will duplicate this image layer by clicking here. Now go to colors and select saturation. Bring its level to 0 so that all color will be removed from the image and click OK. Now right click on this image layer and click on add layer mask. The layer mask we are choosing is black with full transparency and click on add. This will bring the color back to the image. While you are doing this, make sure your foreground color is white and background color is black. Now select the paintbrush tool and apply it to remove the color. As this tutorial is for demonstration purpose, so I will choose the paintbrush with a bigger size. But if you are using your personal image or picture in which minor details or facial areas are involved, I will suggest you to first make the selection of your hair before applying layer mask and then choose the paintbrush of small size so that no extra part will be affected. Now right click on this layer and click on apply layer mask. Then go to colors and select on colorize. By changing the hue, you can add any color of your hair. You can also play with saturation and light to bring the light and dark colors. And that's it. Thanks for watching.